guys, what's back with Auto Mafia Racing, and today we bring you something pretty cool. It is a big turbo EcoBoost. Everybody say hi to Hogan. Hogan's our master welder. He's getting all of our turbo kits done. Zach is getting the tuning loaded up. We are working with Ryan from PD Tuning on this one. And like I said, this is a big turbo car. Yes, it's a bit rusty. It was basically, let's just say it's been sitting for a while. But Zach's ready to go. He's climbing in. Got the cage, the Recaros. We'll make a rip here. This is the first watt hit we've been able to do so far, so we will see how it goes. It's probably gonna be loud. I'm wearing these. So our goal on this car is to make 700 rear wheel horsepower. Yeah, that's a lot. So let's see what she does. That's a start. What'd you say we were limited to?
What?
Like boost wise, like 24 pounds of boost?
24, and we saw 23.6.
23.6 pounds of boost, 435 horsepower. All right guys, so put that in standard, 451, 416. So that's what everybody can uses, because it shows a higher number. So Zach's over here working some magic. Getting the tune from Ryan.
Yeah.
How's it feel hanging out in the cage?
I want one, but at the same time, it's annoying.
Yeah. But yeah, I would definitely take...
I'm hoping my car will be as fast as this car will be one day, so...
I would definitely, like, except when you're at the track, I would remove this bar.
Yeah. Because
it's a bolt-in, guys, you see, there. And then there's bolts down there. That way you can get in and out of the thing. All right, guys, we got a new tune from Ryan, so we're gonna run it, see what she does. Comes in hard. Dang!
That felt like a boost cut.
Boost cut?
32 pounds.
Yeah, that's probably boost cut. Bam! I think it was about to go.
Dude, it felt like it was going.
Well, look at that. What?
Yeah, this thing might make 700 tonight.
700. Oh,
Jesus. That thing felt like it was about to get rowdy.
Is it tickling you? Can you not wait for a big one?
I can't.
What is this again? What turbo size?
6466.
Precision?
6466.
6466.
Yep.
So we're going to run on yours a 6262. Mm-hmm. Cool.
And then go bigger if I need it.
If you need it. I still think we can do 600 on your on 6262. I'm excited. Dang, that thing was gonna go. Sick. All right, guys, so we did another run. How'd that one go, Zach?
It went lean up top, but you know, we're still doing some logs, so that's to be expected. I let out at like 5,500 and it made 605 wheel and 598 at 5,500 RPM. So that's not bad. We still have a lot of work.
Not even 55 and 5,200 RPM. 5,400 RPM. 605, 598. Dang, Ryan's got that eco sauce going strong.
Yeah.
We got a 9-second EcoBoost right here.
Yeah, it definitely will be once we get the tuning dialed in.
Are you ready to have yours on the dyno and making this?
I'm a little upset mine wasn't the first, you know.
On our dyno to make 600?
Yeah. But I have a feeling this one might be the first to make 700 as an EcoBoost.
That's still gonna put it as one of the highest horsepower cars that's been on our dyno. You just don't see that many cars that make over 700 horsepower. 5s and 6s, we see a ton in the 5 and 6s. Not that many over 7. Had a couple of big drag cars that have been in here. The truck, that F-150 made 800. Then we made 800 or 1,000 on the ProCharge S550. That one was sick. But yeah, they did blow a charge pipe off the run before that. That's why we aborted just after 5. That's where that pop was a charge pipe. Sounds crazy, but we'll get another one here in a minute. Sevens. She's going for 700.
34 pounds.
34 pounds?
That's it.
Tell Ryan to turn this thing up.
2 more pounds, it'll be over 700.
Probably. 682. Woo! If we just keep carrying that out, that makes it. We'll hit 700. Needs to quit messing around and just send it already. All right, guys, we're taking this one all the way to 7,000 RPM. So I'm gonna back up a little bit. I'm just saying.
Take it to 7. It looks like. Oh, I let off a little bit early.
Let off a little early. Let off early.
Crap.
It's Zach's fault. He left off early. Let off early. 695 horsepowers. Not bad. Not bad. Guys, so we are getting ready to go again. And basically, the wastegate springs were not enough. What do we upgrade it to?
I think we went from 14 to 19, or lower than 14. I'm not even sure.
We went from something to 19 is what we did. That is in your wastegate spring per Ryan. So that is in now. It's kind of a pain in the butt to do on this car, just because of the location. Wastegate's got to come off. Not very fun. But that is now done. So we are ready to load a new tune. Got a couple map slots to try. Ryan basically said just stay in it once it hits 42 PSI. So 42 PSI sounds like a party to me. How about you, Zach?
Yeah, it should be fun.
This thing's already kind of scary. As it takes off on here, it's just kind of crazy. Sounds like a jet. So I'm excited to see this. Let's get 700 plus. Look how smooth it is. 40 pounds? 40 pounds of boost. Freaking awesome. Ryan figured out whatever was holding it back.
I mean, I would say so.
There was some sort of limiter that was messing with the boost. 40 pounds of boost, 741 horsepower. Yeah, buddy.
It's the same as the last pull before this one, except I let out at like 6,500 instead of 7. So as soon as he gets the fueling right, we should be able to make over 750. But it went a little bit lean up top, so I let out like 500 or 600 RPM early. But after he figures that out, it should make more.
Nice.
So on the last pull, we actually did 2 pulls. The first one was a lower boost. I think it was like 36, 37 pounds. The second pull was roughly 40 pounds, and it went lean, which he told me it might. So that's why I let out, I think the log said I let out at 6,400. So he sent me an updated split second controller map, which is the controller that fires the port injectors. And I would assume he added more fuel to it. So that should help us not lean out up top and hopefully make like 760, which would be cool. But we'll see. We're going to send him a log on slot 2 again, the one we just did, and we made 741. So let's see what it does.
All right, how are you feeling pre-run?
Slightly frightened because Ryan told me to go from map slot 2 to map slot 3 and let it run to 7,200 RPM. And it just made 746 on map slot 2. And I'm just gonna assume map slot 3 is pushing us up to 42 pounds of boost.
Spicy.
So I'm hoping over 760. That'd be cool, but this is gonna be quite scary.
760 horsepower. Let's do it. Like 760 horsepower and like 600 foot-pounds of torque. Dang! Out of a 4-cylinder. Made a lot more torque. It's a 740 horsepower car, okay?
I think that's just what it's gonna make, man.
That's like the 10th run that's made 740. There we go. 754, 262.
Nice.
That feel.
Finally.
That's what we're talking about. 754 horsepower, 662 foot-pounds of torque. Woo! That's a powerful 4-cylinder. Huh?
That's spicy.
Yeah, that's spicy. That's a word for it. Spicy. Alrighty guys, you guys saw how crazy this car was. We ended up making 750 horsepower and like 610 foot-pounds of torque. This thing was absolutely insane. But now we're doing another modification to it. We are putting on our billet motor mounts and a BMR K-member so that this thing can lose another 40 pounds off the nose, make it even easier for him to run 9. So that's really gonna be it for today. Not much for you guys to see. It's just gonna go up, bottom's coming off, new one's going on. We'll get a little footage of that here and there. But thanks for watching. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you later.